Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ashish Kapoor from ashishkapoor.com, and today we are going to talk about how you can register a domain name easily from Seekahost.app. Not just buying the domain, we will also go ahead with setting up that domain with the WordPress hosting on Seekahost.app and launch our blog. So let's go ahead and check out the pricing at Seekahost.app first, and then let's move on to the hosting part. So guys, Seekahost is like a one-stop solution for you to register your domain names and then further host them using the WordPress web hosting or the PBN hosting from Seekahost. To simply buy your first .com domain or any other extension you prefer, you can simply go to the buy domain option or simply type the required domain in the search box. So here you so guys, my idea of doing a blog with the domain name empireworld.com is alive, and I can buy this domain by adding this to the cart. Once I will add this domain to the cart, you can see the domain is right here in my cart. Now I can click on my cart and start with the checkout process. So clicking on the cart, I will land on this screen where I can either add more domains if I want, or I can click on checkout to proceed with the next steps. So once I click on checkout, I will land on this screen where I am prompted to either log in or sign up. So if you are a new customer, you will have to sign up from here. Type your name, last name, email address, a password, and confirm the captcha. Later, you will receive a confirmation email on your inbox, and clicking that verify link, you will activate your account and then proceed with the steps further. But for now, I will be quickly, signing into my account. So I will go ahead and log into my account. I will be landing in my cart now. Here is my cart, the domain registration option with the domain name which I chose. And also the pricing of the domain is very cheap. It's just $5.99 per year. So I can click on continue shopping or click on next. If I want to get more domains, then I will click on continue shopping. And if I'm ready with my order, then I can click on next. Right? The cart will be updated, and then I have to submit some information for the whois data. So this you will have to mostly fill up once for the first domain in your Seekahost account, and once you fill it up, you can register n number of domains further with the same whois information. You won't have to type it again and again every time you buy a domain. So once you have filled up all the information like first name, last name, phone number, address, and your country, and click on next again. So my bill is 5.99 USD, and I have already added my cart right here. So you might be having to add your card there so that you can pay and check out the domain. Once you add your card, click on order now. The first time you will be ordering your domain, it will require some extra authentication through a one-time password. But once you buy your first domain, it won't be required for further orders. I will click on order now, and as you can see, it doesn't take a lot of time to confirm your order, and my order is completed. Now I can see the domain name in my Seekahost dashboard. To see all your domains, you need to go to domain name from the left hand menu and click on domains. In this list, you will find all the domains that you have with Seekahost.app. So the one we recently bought is this, and this is already activated now. So and now I need to make this domain live and host it with Seekahost WordPress hosting plans. So to do that, you don't need to buy a WordPress hosting from any other provider, you can quickly go to hosting plans and click on WordPress hosting from there. And here you can see the cheapest WordPress hosting plans ever you can start with. Here is starter plan, which comes for 1.49 USD per month, and a standard plan 5.5 USD per month, and it lets you host up to 3 WordPress websites and gives you a 50 GB of data transfer and 15 GB of web space. So standard plan is enough to start a new blog and host it for a year, and it will cost like $60 for 1 year, and you can host 3 websites. I have already purchased this plan, so if you need to purchase this plan, you can quickly choose this plan and then go ahead with the checkout process like the same we did with the domain name. You just need to make the payment and it will be activated instantly. So once it is activated in your account, now you need to go to websites and blogs. There you will click on WordPress sites. So basically this will be the section where you can see all the websites you have hosted with Seekahost WordPress hosting option. So as you can see, I have already hosted 2 blogs with Seekahost.app, and now I can add one more with the current plan I have, right? To add one more site, I need to click on this button. Here you can see create WordPress site. When I will click this button, it will uh, give me option to type the domain name, choose a blog title, and click on add WordPress site. To quickly do that, I will type my domain, right? So I've typed a domain name that I recently bought and the blog title, and I can click on add WordPress site. So once you hit add WordPress site, you will be prompted like this: new blog successfully added to the queue. And it takes like a minute or two to quickly set up your WordPress site on the WordPress website plan. And once it is activated, I will show you how you can change the name server of the domain and activate the SSL. So guys, you can see now this domain is added to my WordPress site plan, and there is also a WordPress blog installed on it. Now I can quickly click on it and check it after adding the name server in the domain name. To do that, I will show you how you can do that. Click on the settings icon right in front of the domain, and here you will see the important information about the web hosting plan. So these are the name server that you can use to point your domain to this web hosting plan. Now quickly let's add these name servers to the domain name. To do that, you need to go to the domain list again. Now click on the settings icon right in front of the domain that we want to add name servers in. Click on name server from the right side menu. Then you need to first unlock your domain. So simply toggle this off and wait for a second. When then you will see this lock disabled for empireword.com, and once it is unlocked, go back to the name servers menu, and now this that prompt will be gone, and now you can use custom name servers. Type the first name server or paste it here, and then add the second name server here. Once you add both the name servers right here, click on change name servers. So guys, after changing the name servers, we need to quickly activate the SSL. To do that, now we need to go back to the WordPress hosting plan, and inside here you can see in the right menu there's backup, there's disk space, there's SSL. So quickly go to SSL. Right, and now in the SSL menu, there's only one option to toggle the SSL certificate on or off. Currently, it is disabled, so we need to simply turn this toggle on. Before that, just let's make sure that the domain is pointing to the hosting plan. To do that, just quickly open this domain name in your browser and see if it is opening a blog. So guys, as you can see, this domain is opening the default WordPress site. So we can now quickly click on this toggle and it will be turned on in a moment. It doesn't take more than a minute to successfully activate the SSL on your site. So now I can see that the SSL will be activated around 20 minutes, but it really doesn't take that long. So I just reloaded after a few seconds and you can see the SSL is activated now and my website is ready to go to the world. So guys, now you can see I registered a domain name using Seekahost.app and I also hosted it with Seekahost.app WordPress hosting plan. And now I will show you how you can set up and log into your WordPress site. So when you will add your domain to the WordPress site plan in Seekahost.app, you will get an email with the login information. So you can use that login information to log in the WordPress site. To quickly do that, let's click on the login URL and here copy paste the username and password that you received. So as you can see, I'm successfully logged into my WordPress site and now from here I can manage this with ease. Some interesting plugins and some interesting themes are already installed in this WordPress site. So I may not need to change the theme because this is one of the best theme already installed on my site. Quickly check out the plugins that comes pre-installed in this WordPress site. So there is Updraft Plus, WP File Manager, WP htaccess Editor, and WP Mail SMTP. So to quickly launch my website, I will need to, go to appearance, go to customize and remove some widgets from the sidebar and also add a logo, etc. And then I need to delete the first default post that comes with a blank WordPress installation like this. I will trash this. And now you can see the blog doesn't have any post on it. And now I can start with my content plan and start publishing content on this blog. So guys, this was it from my side about registering a domain name easily with Seekahost.app and hosting it with Seekahost WordPress hosting plans. If you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to write down in the comment box below. If you learned something new, please like this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.